So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Zoom. So for that, first of all you guys will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search zoom.us. After getting on the website, the first thing you guys will need to do is log into your account on this top right section. After that, you guys can be able to see this option right here which is called My Account, and now just select this option. After that, you guys will get on this profile page right here. And if you scroll down, then guys in the sign in section you can see this two-factor authentication option. Now just select this turn on button, and right here you need to enter a password to turn on your two-factor authentication. Now give your password of your account and now just select next button. And right here guys, now you can set up your two-factor authentication from your app or even with your SMS. Now I will choose this option and select its setup button. Now you have to again enter a password to set up your SMS authentication. So just type your account's password and now select this next button. Now guys, you need to select your country code and now enter your phone number right here. And now after that, select this send code button right here. Now guys, after entering the OTP, you guys will need to select this verify button right here. Now select it, and now as you can see, the two-factor authentication setup has been successfully completed. So guys, you can even download your two-factor authentication setup by just selecting this button right here. And after that, select this done button right here. So if you scroll down guys, then you can see that two-factor authentication is now on and it has been paired with our SMS option. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. So if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.